Hi there beautiful people, welcome to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing my swatches and overall thoughts of the new work-life balance bundle by Holo Taco. So Holo Taco actually came out with 4 new creamy colors, which I totally love. I really love the colors on their own, but they seem to work really well together also for nail art or anything like that. But yeah, I'm just going to quit rambling so far for this intro part. Of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family. But let's start off with the first color already. And this one might be my favorite color from this 4-piece bundle. And shocker, I know it is a green. And if you have been hanging out with me here on my YouTube channel for a couple of years now, you know that green is my least favorite color when it comes to nail polishes. So yeah, for me being like really honest and saying that I love this color and it might be my favorite color from this bunch is like, my mind is blown. I actually really love this color. It is a very spring-like, very bright, almost like a pastel neon kind of green in my opinion, but it is just really lovely, very creamy. This color doesn't contain any shimmer or glitter or anything like that, or at least all of the colors from this 4-piece bundle are just full-on creamy colors, which I love. I think creamy finishes and just a glossy top coat on top of that is my favorite like kind of nail polish to wear. Of course, I really do love glitter and shimmer every now and then, especially when it comes to nail art. The more bling and glitter that's on there, the better. But for just a day-to-day mani, I think glossy creamy colors are the way to go. So yeah, this here for the Payday color is actually really like right up my alley. I love that it's bright. I even love the fact that it is green and it is completely opaque within 2 coats already. Oh, and by the way, excuse my cuticle area, I still need to redo my gel polish like base and top coat on top of my natural nail. So there is a little bit of like a gap in between the new growth part, if you know what I mean. So let's ignore the cuticle part and just focus on the colors because they are beautiful. But the second color I will be sharing today is a beautiful sky blue kind of color. This one is called Board Meeting. I really love how Christine actually comes up with the different like themes and names for their polishes and entire collections. I think it's really cute and really fun as well. Even though this one is called Board Meeting, I don't feel like this is a boring color at all. It is just really gorgeous, really out there. It is perfect to wear on its own, especially if you really like blue polishes, which I pretty much do too. I just love to combine it with like a purple or a pink or something like that. But it is also really beautiful to wear or combine it in like a nail art design or something like that. I'm actually like really into using this polish and a couple of different colors to do like a blue toned water marble or something like that. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below if you are up to watching some new water marble videos and maybe you have some like ideas or color requests or combinations that you would like me to do in upcoming water marble videos or just nail art in general. But back to this beautiful blue polish, I don't know, there's just something about this color that just tickles my fancy. I love it so much. It is once again really perfect to wear during spring or summer or anything like that, but I can also definitely see myself using this polish in like a winter nail art week design or something like that. I can definitely see myself slapping some white snowflakes on here and just some glitter and stuff like that. So yeah, I can see a ton of possibilities to use this polish for. But yeah, other than that, it is once again completely creamy, no glitter or shimmer or anything like that, and completely opaque within 2 coats. Oh, and for the record, I actually bought this bundle for $40. You can get the polishes separately for $11 each if you're not really into getting all 4 colors. Other than that, they are 5 free, they are cruelty free, and they are vegan, so they are pretty safe to use, and of course not testing on animals, which is a big plus in my opinion. But yeah, let's just get into the third color already. This one is called Work Bestie, and it is, I think, pretty close to getting a second like favorite kind of spot next to the Here for the Payday green color. And especially those two combined together, I think purple and green is so stunning to like combine in a nail art design, or combine in whatever for that matter. I just think it's a really gorgeous combination. And yeah, this purple, I feel like it kind of has like a pinkish kind of undertone, which makes the color a little bit more warm, or at least it looks kind of warm compared to my skin tone. It is still a little patchy within that first coat, but then again, purples are pretty hard to make. But yeah, the second coat will make it completely opaque. This is definitely one of those colors that you want to use a good base coat underneath, because pretty much all of the colors from Holo Taco are very pigmented, and they can definitely stain the natural nail plate. So if you want to prevent that, or at least prevent most of that, just go in with a good base coat on forehand. Maybe even double it up, do like 2 different types of bases if that helps you out from preventing any staining or discoloration. But yeah, this color, I can definitely see it staining my entire nail if I wouldn't have a gel base and top coat underneath my colored polish. But yeah, once again, a really gorgeous, just a beautiful purple color. The fourth and last color from this 4-piece bundle is called Left on Red. It is just a beautiful cherry kind of red. I actually felt like it looked kind of similar to the reddish pink that I had on my right hand nails, which is actually a gel polish by Pink Gelac. But this is more of like a cherry, more pure red. There isn't a ton of pink in here in my opinion. So it is not the perfect classic blue undertoned Christmassy red, but it's a little bit more warm, if you know what I mean. One thing that I was pretty much blown away by because of this polish is that it was a one coater, or at least it was a one coater on my nails, which doesn't really happen that often, because with red nail polishes it is either a hit or miss when it comes to opacity. This one is so creamy and just so like out there, very pigmented, that it was, or at least to the naked eye, completely opaque within that first coat. Also, it was kind of bright, so my camera was a little bit freaking out because of that. That's just something that happens. Cameras don't like really bright colors, so it might seem like it's a little patchy, but that's just my camera freaking out. In real life, like with the naked eye, this one was a one coater, and yeah, I'm just really happy with that one. It is a beautiful red. If you don't have a red like this in your collection so far, definitely pick it up, because it is hella opaque, people. Come on, just go get this one. But yeah, this was my entire new review video. Let me know what you think about these colors and if you have gotten some yourself. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.